Good morning, buttercups. We're going to be doing some pairs checked together right now. Jackson's gonna say hi. Put your hand under here and wave. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, let's get our pairs checked out. I'm gonna do some B's because I'm Bowen and it's gonna be super awesome. All right?
Alright.
Let me do it now, okay? So our cosecant, let's make that a 1 over sine. And our secant, let's make that a 1 over cos. Now look at there. Oh my goodness. It is a complex fraction. So let's think about what that means. Division. Division means multiply by the reciprocal. So now I have 1 over sine times cos over 1, which is cos over sine. Woohoo! A little cotan. Yippee skippy. Now let me just show you how I mean this is going to work over here. This cos is going to cross out with that squared right there. This 2 crosses out by dividing. So I'm left with cos. You already see what's going to happen here. Cos over sine. Shabam! Cotan. Look at that. All right, flipping the page. I'm jumping around. Let's go down here. Let's go down here to this beauty. See right here, we got some stuff going on here. All right, sine and tan. So sine I'm going to start with, and I'm going to go sine is just sine. Then tan, I'm going to say sine over cosine. Oh boy, do you see what's happening? I'm getting excited. All right, so right now I have sine squared theta over cos theta plus a cos theta, and I have to add fractions. Well, to add fractions, I need a common denominator. The only thing in the common denominator is a good cos. So this one stays the same. Shaboom, shabing. Over here, cos to 1 is going to get multiplied by another cos. We're at cos squared. Now, who's excited? Who's going, oh yes, it's getting really awesome right now? Because sine squared plus cosine squared is one of the coolest identities you'll use, is 1. And 1 over cos is secant. Oh, that was amazing. All right, let's see. Now, I want to talk about these up here because I want you to think about like what you have to memorize and not memorize, but truly know and understand versus what we can get from it. So we know new information is for me is how to write an S apparently. We know sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Super fantastic. We've got that coming from the unit circle, right? It's amazing. Now the other two, I just want you to look at them. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to divide everybody by cos squared. And I can do that because I'm giving all of the children a cookie so everyone's happy. Sine squared divided by cos squared is tan. Cos squared plus cos divided by is 1. And 1 over cos squared is secant. Okay, there's my friend. There's the second identity. So you can notice over here the secant minus the tan. If I bring that tan over here, watch, I'll write it. Tan squared plus 1 equals secant squared theta subtract tan. 1 minus 1 equals secant squared theta minus tan squared theta. Shabam. So this side's 1. Now let's go back over here. Go right to the beginning. Sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Now this time for funsy pies, let's divide everybody by sine squared. Look at this. Sine squared divided by sine squared, 1. Cos divided by sine, that's going to be our friend cotan. And 1 divided by sine, that's going to be, who is it? Who is it? Cosecant. Look at this. Look at this. Look. It's like I planned this. Oh, wait, I did. So first thing here, subtract your cotan squared theta, ba-bam, and you will find out the cosecant squared theta minus cotan squared theta equals 1, buddy system. So I think that hits all of the major fun. I want you to keep trying them. And if there's any that you aren't sure of, then just go ahead and email me and we'll figure it out. I can send you a video or, well, we're going to just keep figuring it out. Have a great day. Enjoy the snow and working in your pajamas.